Hey, this is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you how to register a domain name on NameCheap.com. So here we are on the website, and the first thing you want to do is go up to Domains and click on Domain Name Search. Now once you've done that, you're just going to type in the domain name that you want in the search box. For this example, I'm going to be using hosthobby.com. And click enter or hit the search bar. Give it just a minute to load. Okay, and we can see the domain name is available, hosthobby.com. So what we want to do is add it to our cart. Now it's added, and we can click on View Cart. And from here we can choose to auto renew this domain name, so every year it renews. If you don't do this, your domain name can expire, and if it expires, somebody else can get it, and you'll probably never get it back again, especially if it's a really good domain name and if it's if the domain has become something valuable. Now, WhoisGuard, you get it free for 1 year, and what that does is that protects you from having your name and address and information revealed if somebody does a search online for the domain name under the Whois. So if you want that, I normally always keep it. I just enable it, and then I also enable the auto renew, which is only $288 a year. So I'll keep both of those done, and then when I'm done, I'll just click on confirm order. And from here I click on pay now, and that's all there is to it. The domain name will then be registered and put inside of your NameCheap account, and then from there you can configure it to either work with your NameCheap hosting account if that's what you're using, or you can redirect your domain name to a different hosting account that you're using, such as SiteGround or HostGator, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.